everyone, welcome to my class. Myself Janisha from St. Joseph Composite PU College, Vijaypur. In the previous episode, we have discussed about the company overview of regarding the Adani Ports Asian Paint Limited, and also we'll continue that same session in this episode also. And today we are going to discuss about one more Indian company that we can say that Axis Bank Limited. Okay, then let we move on to this concept. Axis Bank Limited, it was incorporated, that is in the year 1993, and where the headquarter in the Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and who is present MD as well as CEO, that is present head or MD and CEO is Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary, and non-executive chairman Mr. Rakesh Makheja, and also chief financial officer is Puneet Sharma. So this is what the idea about this Axis Bank Limited. Now we will discuss about complete company introduction, history, and mission and vision, as well as the philosophy of this company. Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank in India. Dear students, this point you need to remember. So Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank in India. This bank offers the entire spectrum of financial services to customer segments covering large and mid corporates, micro, small and medium enterprises, and also agriculture and retail businesses. That means this Axis Bank Limited, it provides a financial services to its customers, that is by the way of various segments, means large and mid corporates, as well as a financial support like a micro, small and medium enterprises, and also agriculture and retail businesses. So this is what the financial support from this Axis Bank Limited. And also the overseas operations of the bank are spread over 10 international offices with branches at Singapore, Hong Kong, Dubai, Colombo and Shanghai, and also representative office at Dhaka, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and the overseas subsidiary that is in London, UK. Okay, that means here we can see that this Axis Bank, so it covers or it spreads not only in India but also what that is major international offices, means it should spread its what areas in internationally also. So those international 10 famous international offices that located in that branches will be located, that is at Singapore, Hong Kong, Dubai, Colombo and Shanghai. Along with it should consist representative offices, that is at Dhaka, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and also overseas subsidiary in London, UK. That means we came to know about that this Axis Bank Limited, it spread its what areas in not only in our country but also internationally. Then now we can see about company history of Axis Bank Limited. As we know that Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank in India, right? Along with this, Axis Bank is one of the first new generation private sector banks to have begun operations in 1994. So this was incorporated in the year 1993, right? So means this bank was promoted in the year 1993, but the first new generation private sector bank have been begun its operation, that is in 1994. And along with this, after the promotion of this bank in 1993, jointly by specified undertaking of Unit Trust of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, General Insurance Corporation of India, National Insurance Company Limited, and the New India Assurance Company Limited, the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, and United India Insurance Company Limited. So they have been also joined with this what Axis Bank Limited, and also along with the shareholding of Unit Trust of India was subsequently transferred to the to the Unit Trust of India, an entity established in 2003. So this is what the company background or the history of Axis Bank Limited. Then now we'll see about the philosophy of this bank. So the main vision of Axis Bank Limited, that is to be prefer the financial solutions provider excelling in customer delivery through insight, empowered employees, and smart use of technology. That means in the modern way of what smart use of technology. So this bank will be what provide the financial solutions to its customers, means customer delivery through what insight, empowered employees, and also that is smart use of technology. So this is what the vision of this company. Then now we'll see some other core values of this company. This you should remember. So core values of this company, that was customer centricity, ethics, transparency, teamwork, and ownership. So this is what the core values of this company. So Axis Bank Limited. So this bank have some core values. So that is customer centricity, ethics, transparency, teamwork, as well as the ownership. So this is what the core values of this company. Then now see about the achievement of Axis Bank Limited, or we can say that business in news. Axis Bank ranked 727th on Forbes World's Largest Public Corporation list in 2020. So that is largest public corporation list 2020. In that, Axis Bank ranked 727th on Public World's largest public corporation list in 2020. And also again Axis Bank ranked 232 on Forbes World's Best Employers list in 2019. So on the base of Best Employers list in 2019, so Axis Bank's rank, that is 232. And also Axis Bank Limited, one of India's largest private sector banks, announced the opening of its qualified institutions placement, that is to raise funds of 12,500 CR. So this is what the business in news, or we can say that the achievement of Axis Bank Limited. Then now see about the achievement of Axis Bank Limited, or we can say that business in news. Axis Bank ranked 727th on Forbes World's Largest Public Corporation list in 2020. So that is largest public corporation list 2020. In that, Axis Bank ranked 727th on Public World's largest public corporation list in 2020. And also again Axis Bank ranked 232 on Forbes World's Best Employers list in 2019. So on the base of Best Employers list in 2019, so Axis Bank's rank, that is 232. And also Axis Bank Limited, one of India's largest private sector banks, announced the opening of its qualified institutions placement, that is to raise funds of 12,500 CR. So this is what the business in news, or we can say that the achievement of Axis Bank Limited. And also Axis Bank Limited, it also having some portfolio of a company, means regarding the products and services it offers. That is, the bank has 10 wholly owned subsidiaries, that is Axis Capital Limited, Axis Private Equity Limited, Axis Trustee Services Limited, Axis Asset Management Company Limited, Axis Mutual Fund Trustee Limited, Axis Bank UK Limited, Axis Securities Limited, Axis Direct Axis Finance Limited, Axis Securities Europe Limited, and Axis Trends Limited. So this is what services which offered by the Axis Axis Bank Limited. And also some of the services provided by this Axis Bank Limited, that is in different segments. So we can say that the retail banking, it is one of the segment. So then what are the services provided by the Axis Bank? So under the segment of retail banking, Axis Bank will provide the services like personal banking, card services, internet banking, ATM services, depository, financial advisory services, insurance, and non-resident Indian means NRI services. So these are the services which provided by the Axis Bank Limited, that is under the segment of retail banking. Along with a second segment, that is corporate banking. So then what are the services will provided under the segment of corporate banking? That is credit, treasury, syndication, investment banking, and also trustee services. So these services will be provided by the Axis Bank Limited, that is through the segment of corporate banking. And next, international banking. So under the international banking segment, what are the services will provided by the Axis Bank Limited? That is corporate banking, trade finance, treasury, and risk management solutions through the branches at Singapore, Hong Kong, and Shanghai, Colombo, and also retail liability products from its branches at Hong Kong and Colombo. So this is what the international banking segment. So in this way, the what bank will be provide the services. Okay, so these are what services which our portfolio, we can say that services which provided by the Axis Bank Limited, that is in the different segments. Okay students, so this is what regarding the a snap of or the overview of the Axis Bank Limited company. So in the next episode we'll continue some more companies review. Okay, so then we'll meet on next episode. Until that, you just pointed out some of the important concepts. Thank you.